Getting your marketing material ready. The first thing to know about marketing is the tools you have at your disposal. Your resources to market a product are just as important as the ones you need to sell them. Remember that no one shows up to a party if they don't know it's happening, let alone if they don't get an invite. Social media for free. In today's world, social media is the one thing that almost everyone can access. Your campaign has a big hole in it if you don't use the likes of Facebook, Twitter, and such. They are free if you don't opt for paid advertising and can spread the word about your product like wildfire. You can reach interested customers and convince them to give it a go. Preparing for that starts with text and visuals. Almost no campaign can run without visual media. So, get some good pictures, because these platforms also like promoting audio-visual content. That's because they are easy for the customer to consume. Video content is another sure-shot way to get top-of-the-shelf spots on social media. If you're going for Snapchat or Instagram, make them short and sweet. If you are going for longer video content with instructions or reviews, target YouTube. Email marketing. Even those who are off social media have an email ID. Practically everyone with access to the internet uses emails. So sending one email a day with promotional information can do wonders, especially because Gmail helps you categorize it as such in its inbox. Email marketing is also a great way to get subscribers for your product or services. Sending email blasts is a great way to get customers, but don't go overboard, because that will land you in the spam folder. A monthly update with a reminder to subscribe is pretty good. This can come in the form of a newsletter that has a mix of texts, links, and audio visuals. Email marketing is said to be a very efficient tool in building a loyal set of followers. Those who subscribe can also be offered discounts and vouchers for their next purchase. Tell them about the product launch and what to expect. Paid advertising. Social media is once again a great place for paid advertising. If your target audience spends a lot of time on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, you might want to get a piece of that action. Ads need to be enticing, but also to the point. Make sure the copy and design are on point, because typically, your potential customers are scrolling on their device, and your ad needs to stop them from doing exactly that.